Hello everyone, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this cool looking like a motion graphic effect which I can also modify the shapes, and this is just a sprite. So how I created this with a sprite, so let's check it out. So I have this empty project in Unreal Engine 5, but I have a texture here. This is very simple texture, just a text that I written in Photoshop. So just a text, nothing special here. I will just create a material from this. So this is my material, and I'll do anything to move this texture, to move this text. So as you can see, this is black and white, so I can use it in masked, and I will use unlit both side and directly connect it to opacity. And for color, I will take the particle color here, so it will be white. Okay, now I want to move it, so I'll just do a basic like UV distortion. So I will take it mask, and I will take a gradient like this one. If I preview this, it has this gradient and vertically, so I can multiply this gradient. I will stop this and connect it here, so it will just move this upside, and if I make it 0, it will be default, and point 2 is moving little bit, so I can just use this value. I'm just showing you just to show how to use, otherwise you can do anything your material, you can create a very awesome material. So this is your distort of UVs. I'll just save this, and I'll quickly create a Niagara particle system fountain, and this is my FX1 actually, if I create any variation. So I'll use that material here, and you can see if I'll preview, I have now text,